Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Exporting your Thunderbird address book is a quick process that allows you to move your contacts to another email service or back them up for safety. First, open the Thunderbird application on your computer. Look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the address book button. This will open a new window showing all your saved contacts. On the left side of this window, you will see a list of different address books. Select the specific one you want to export, such as your personal address book or collected addresses. Once you have selected the correct list, go to the top menu bar and click on the Tools menu. From the drop-down options, select Export. If you do not see the top menu bar, look for the three horizontal lines representing the application menu and find the Export option there. A File Explorer window will appear on your screen. You need to choose where you want to save the file on your hard drive. Give the file a clear name so you can find it later. Below the file name, you will see a drop-down menu for the file type. You can choose from several formats like CSV, LDIF, or vCard. Most people choose CSV if they want to import the contacts into Excel or Google Contacts. vCard is great for mobile devices. After selecting your preferred format, click the Save button. Your contacts are now exported and ready for use in any other application you choose. This method works for all versions of Thunderbird and ensures your data stays organized.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.